Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 3, Review. In this chapter, we will go over the review questions provided with this course. Again, it is recommended that you print out the review questions for reference during the remaining lessons. We also strongly recommend that you complete the review questions independently, examining all of the evaluative feedback included in the answer key. The evaluative feedback, which we will not be covering in these video lessons, provides additional information about why each answer is either right or wrong. Carefully examining each review question and all of its evaluative feedback will greatly increase your understanding of the covered material.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.